Welcome to our traditional Airshow breakfast in partnership with AmCham Abu Dhabi. For those of you like me that have been coming to this breakfast for many years, the growth of this breakfast and the ever-increasing level of participants to this breakfast is a continuing testament to the importance of the US-UAE aerospace relationship.
This breakfast is really at the heart of what makes each air show a hit and a home run. It started with the first F-22 to show a demonstration here in the Middle East in 2011. The record order book in 2013, $206 billion worth of aircraft sale that made it to the Wall Street Journal, and people saw that the Dubai Air Show is something that great things can happen when great people come together and decide to support the industry.
This gathering is a chance to connect and discuss the business opportunities and challenges you face. The Dubai Air Show is truly a marquee event with tremendous drawing power. This is largely due to the UAE's strategic location at the crossroads of Asia, Africa, and Europe, and as the gateway to the Middle East and South Asia region. But it is also testimony to the visionary leadership and outstanding partners we have here in the Emirati government.
Pleasure to be here with you today to kick off the Dubai Air Show, and this is my first air show as director of DSCA. DSCA leads the security cooperation community of well over 10,000 people worldwide, including about 1,400 people in security cooperations offices in about 146 countries around the world. They are responsible for managing some of the very complex relationships in the security cooperation community within key players in our own government, with our international partners like UAE, and of course with the defense industry. Today, the convergence of congressional mandates with the Secretary's emphasis on security cooperation and strengthening partnerships is a call to action. We must seize the opportunity to fortify and sustain our status as a security partner of choice globally. I thank you for your time and attention.